Hi guys, hope you are doing good. Welcome to my channel Ashish Chakravarti. Welcome to my channel Ashish Chakravarti. In these videos where I try to post my life experiences, my understanding of life, whatever I have left, my experiences to be shared, and I come up with few topics which I believe I should share and how I do it in my life, and which might be helpful and beneficial to few of the people who think alike and who stay positive in their life, who are fighter in their life, and who wants to do many things and achieve something in their life. So my videos are for those people. So today's topic, what I want to discuss is emotions, and I want to discuss something about emotions today. The reason is it's been almost going to be 1.5 years, like last year and this year, and again I don't know until when. Throughout my life, I go through emotions. Each and every part from the day we are born, we go through emotions, and these are very strong emotions. And emotion can make you, can break you, and these are very strong things. So what I would say is emotions makes you stronger. I have made few of the notes based on my thinking and understanding, and that's what I would be mentioning you about. If this is helpful, that would be a great thing for me, because I have gone through many things and I have been going through many things as well. But how to take charge, or how to control your emotions, and how to let it go as and when required. Few things I would like to say is, first of all, uh, always be proud that you are an emotional person, but don't be an emotional fool. So by emotions I mean these are the combination of heart and your brain thinking. Emotions are good, but they have to be positive emotions. Each and every time you become emotional and bring out a lot of negative thoughts in your life, in your brain, it will hamper you, and it has hampered me as well. So try to take charge of your emotions, and understand when and where and on what things you have to be emotional about. You cannot be emotional about all the stuffs. So if also you are, you have to work it out, because those emotions affect your actions, affect your mentality, affect you as an individual in many ways. Sometimes when emotions are positive, you become a more stronger person to prove yourself in your life, to reach somewhere in your life, to achieve your goals. But if you always be emotional about everything, sometimes it becomes difficult to take decisions, sometimes it becomes difficult to trust, and sometimes you get betrayed. So those things are uh, factors which have to be taken into consideration as well. So emotions, I would say, are good, but those emotions have to be positive. Sometimes if you feel negative emotions, okay fine, give yourself time. I give myself time. You want to cry it out, you want to think low, you are actually getting low in your life, give it some time. Everything you have to give some time. It doesn't switches like, okay fine, all of a sudden I am becoming an energetic person, opportunistic person, determined person. No, it doesn't happen like that. Emotions doesn't work like that, and you never know when these emotions will come in. But yes, slowly you can think about why you are getting emotional, what is getting you affected, and is it really worth. First of all, is it really worth? So take emotions positively, and uh, give give emotions positivity. So you should be a positive person, not like by saying that I am positive. There are many things that needs to be understood to be a positive person in everything, every aspect of life. So the other point that I would say is, emotions should not be based on attachments to assets or quantitative. it should be qualitative. It should be quality emotions. The reason I say is, if I say my example, I become emotional when somebody says me something, anything, anybody comes out of my way and then says me something. I just take it. I just believe it. No, that's not the way. I have tried myself not listening to those things. It should not be associated with assets. It should not be qualitative. It should not be quantitative. Like lot of emotions flowing through for a lot of actions that are being done in front of you. There are multiple people. For example, I am working in an office. There are many people saying many things to me. I don't have to be emotional about that. But you have to channelize your emotions, bring the qualitative emotions in you, because it will help you grow in your future. It will help you build as a human being. It will make you more stronger. It will make you more determined, as far as the emotions are positive. Anybody says anything to you, you are attached to a house, you are attached to a car, you are attached to roaming around anywhere, don't attach yourself with your emotion. Don't attach your emotions to asset and quantitative things. Rather, start working on getting qualitative emotions in your life, and those have to be filtered out. Those has to be very controlled. You have to be very controlled in understanding whether the way I am thinking or the way I am showing an emotion, is it really worth. So that's how things are. Sometimes try to control your emotions, as it may come in a wrong time, in a wrong place. By that I mean, see, emotions are basically not controllable, but if you work out, if you really control the way you think, if you really make sure that, okay, fine, my surroundings does bother me, but I will not get affected out of it. In that case, you need to control your emotions. When you control your emotions, it will help you out to elevate yourself, because sometimes because of your emotions, you will be thinking a lot of negative thoughts. Negative thoughts will flow in your mind. So you will be, it might happen, you may say something in a wrong time, in a wrong place, to a wrong person, which on a later basis you will regret that you should not have done. So emotions are very strong. Emotions comes out of your mind through words which may hamper somebody or hamper yourself. So it should be controlled slowly, by understanding, giving yourself some time, giving yourself some space, so that your words comes out of emotions, and it has to be controlled. Once said, you cannot take it back. So you have to control your emotions. Be emotional, but don't take any decision based on your emotions. This is also a factor to be taken into consideration, so that it doesn't hamper you or your near ones or your dear ones or your family. Because taking an emotional decision without looking into the facts, it does affect, and on a later basis, similarly, you may regret of taking certain decisions which you made being an emotional person. Make your emotions your strength to move forward and do what is required to be done. As simple as that. Sometimes, not sometimes, basically, world doesn't care about your emotions. This is the fact. Your family will care. Your brother, sister, mother, father, they will care. Your spouse, they will care. But the world doesn't care about your emotions, and there is no use to show your emotion to the world, because it may put you in a point where you might be looked after, or you might be looked as a very weak person. So the moment you show your emotions to an unknown person, emotions to the outwardly world, it may happen that people may take advantage of you, and that's the reason I told it may hamper or bring negative effects in your life. So don't show your emotions uncontrollably. Don't show your emotions uncontrollably to the world. But yes, there are times when emotions are to be shown, stronger words are to be said, because you need to get the job done, or you need to get something in your life where it is not being done properly, or where your emotions are not being respected enough. So show your respectful emotion, but make sure things get done, and you are not looked down by anybody or as a weak person. So emotions should be strong and not shown to the outer world on a maximum time. Yeah, emotions are not sign of weakness, it's sign of a stronger person who knows when to show it and when not to show it, and then fight it back. These are few points which came through my mind on how I am doing it, and I thought of sharing those things to you. And emotions, don't take emotions as a negative thing. I said you should have positive emotions, but emotions are not negative. Emotions can make you, emotions can break you without even anybody touching you. So keep a control on your emotions and try to make yourself out of that emotions, and this will help you a lot in your life. So emotions is not at all a sign of weakness. Emotion is a sign of strong person who knows where to show it, where not to show it, and do the job what is to be done. As simple as that. So in my videos, I normally try to share my experiences. When I am saying you, please consider it as it involves me also, because I am a human being as well, and these things I have gone through, and I have jotted down few of the points, few of the notes where I believe this might help somebody somewhere who needs this information, who might be looking into this without any hanky panking, without any so much showing off. It is just a conversation where I am dropping down my experiences, and I believe if somebody gets a support or a help or an understanding out of what I am saying, or he or she is able to connect to what I am trying to say, I would love to receive your feedback. Please do let me know if you really like my video by liking the video and subscribing the video, wherein if I put more videos based on your asking or based on your requirements, thinking that okay fine Ashish, please make a video on some other topics like XYZ, whatever you feel like, I would love to do that, and this will give me an appreciation and it will boost up my emotions as well on a positive note, saying that the path that I have taken to share these videos, it takes believe me guys, it takes really a lot of guts to sit in front of a camera, and for a fresher or for a new guy like me, and make a YouTube channel. But I believe life is only one, and if you think something to be carried out in your life, don't miss it out. Just go and grab it, do it, no matter if you fail, no matter if you win, it doesn't matter. People say it's the journey which matters, and yes, of course I also believe it's the journey which matters. So taking my emotions into control, jotting down the notes, and trying to have a word with you, with like-minded people who may like what I am doing, but I will only know how you like it, what you like it, what else topic do you want me to share my experiences with. Please do let me know by commenting. Please do subscribe, and please do like the videos if you really like it. And thank you so much for giving your time.